Good afternoon. Today I will discuss about the position of women in Indian Parliament. So for women all-round development, political empowerment is also an important aspect. So women representation in global level in legislative arena is not a significant things. So it is also same for Indian perspectives. You see, these are some important data related to primary data related to the demography of India, or the total population, number of male, number of female, percentage, everything is mentioned here. So this is for your common interest that you can get some information, primary information regarding position of women in Indian Parliament. That is in Lok Sabha. If you look at the below two information there in Lok Sabha, women participation is only 11.4%, and in Rajya Sabha it's only 12.7%. It is just in only two digit, whereas the percentage was less than 10% for a long time. So the matter is to be discussed in a proper way. So you look at these things. What are the reason for this underrepresentation of women? So first one is apathy. Apathy actually from the society and also from the women community, because most of the women people in mass, they are not aware about their political right and duties, and even they are not able to, they are not interested to contest elections and others. That is common for all level of electoral process. For political and economic instability also another reason, where women communities are very weak, particularly in political and economic ways, because economy is the main thing and which is basic requirements to get socio-political upgradation. Narrow electoral arithmetic is also an important thing, because most of the most of the political parties and the decision makers, they prefer male candidates, male party men to contest the election. They don't like women because they have no such charisma, or say you can say some attraction left for the some people. Okay. Now, male dominated party is another important thing, because it's due to male hegemony. According to there is feminism, feminist concept, they also believe that almost all all organizations and groups in societies are controlled by male. Expensive election campaigning, rigging, and so many things are there. Criminalizations of politics is there. So all these things are trigger the problem associated with women less participation in politics. That in quota, in different countries, in different countries of the world, that is particularly in Sweden, Denmark, and some other countries, where women participation is very high. One of the important factor is there, they have a quota system. These countries have quota system, minimum percentage of quota for the women community. So thus women have given priorities to contest the election and win the election. It is possible. Now in our case that is not possible, because we do not have such types of quota systems and others. Now, before that, some theories are also advocate relate to the women underrepresentation in politics. Theory of patriarchy suggested a male domination over the female. They support male hegemony, and Sylvia Walvia defines patriarchy as a system of social structures and practices in which men dominate, oppress, and exploit women. So, actually, these patriarchal structures and attitudes, actually they uh, triggers the this common issue, gender issue, that one gender is subordinated by another, particularly in all levels of society, in political aspect also. Sexual division of labor also discuss that the biological in biologically the male and women are not same. Women are